I the a-hole for not talking to my husband because he's going on a boys trip instead of our honeymoon? I honestly don't feel like I have to read any more to know that this guy is clearly the a-hole, but I gotta read the rest to find out. So listen to the end and then you guys be the judge. Who's the a-hole? I, 26 female, and my husband, 27 male, got married in December of 2022. We plan to go on our honeymoon next year because of work commitments that we both had. Last month, he told me that we'll be going on our honeymoon on my birthday in July, so I have been looking forward to it. Last week, he told me that his work project will end in June and that he misses his boys and would like to go on a trip with his boys to Thailand and was inviting me. I was heartbroken as I have been looking for outfits already. I refused to go with his friends and him. He told me that he'll go on our honeymoon later some other time, which I'm sure he won't because he barely gets time off from work. He told me that one of his friends' wife will be coming too, but that didn't make things any better. He added that he'll stay home with me for my birthday and only go after celebrating with me. I refused that too. Earlier this year, he pitched this idea of going on our honeymoon with his friend and his wife. I didn't like that idea because I wanted it to just be me and him on our honeymoon and only our memories. We have been on radio silence for the past week. Please let me know, am I the bad guy? This one is so messed up to me. Like, how hard is it for him to just take some time with just his wife? I would be pretty pissed too if my husband was trying to invite his friends on my honeymoon. That doesn't even make sense. The honeymoon is for the couple, so if both parties are okay with it, then honestly, the more the merrier. But as soon as he saw that that was a problem for her, he should have just dropped it. It's very obvious to me that he just doesn't want to go on vacation with her and he really just wants to go with his boys. So I definitely think he's the a-hole here. Now, they did mention that he's been planning this trip with his friends for 3 years and it keeps getting canceled. So I get that he wants to spend time with his friends, but his wife should come first. So for this one, I'm going to give the husband an a-hole rating of 7 out of 10. Honestly, I want to go higher, but I got to reserve the higher rankings for real big a-holes. You know, there's some people that really do some messed up stuff. But he does seem like a crappy husband already, so a lot of red flags going off over there in my opinion. So you guys let me know in the comments what a-hole rating you would give the husband on a scale of 1 to 10.